Hey everyone, my name is Gary and today I'm going to show you how to deploy a React website. So here we have the website. It's basically a Discord website I tried to build for a bot. So it was built on React, so I can just show you. Let me first run it on my system. So we'll just enter the root frontend directory. I'll just do npm start. Here. So yeah, let's start it. So I'll just show you on my system first. So yeah, this is a website you can see. It's just a normal basic website, nothing else built on React. So now what we have to do is, so to deploy it, we will be deploying it on Netlify. Okay. First of all, let me just show you the website. Netlify. Okay. Here we are. You can just sign in. It's just basic process, nothing else. So I'm already logged in. So what we'll do here is we will click on add new site and you can just import it from your GitHub or you can just deploy it manually. For now we'll be deploying manually. So what we have to do here is, here as you can see, I already have a build folder here. So what you have to do is you have to type npm run build. So after you press enter, a build folder will be created. So what we will be doing is, since I already have the build folder, I'll just show it to you. So once the build folder is ready, what you have to do is you have to just copy paste it here, or else you can just go to it directly. So where was it? Yeah, not here. Even I forgot. Right. Where should it is? Here. Okay. So here. So yeah, this is the folder we have. So once you upload it, so it takes a bit of time. Yeah, now you can see it says our website is successfully deployed. So if you go to the domain which was given to you by Netlify, yeah, see, you can see the website is all ready for us. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys.